1000 LB Sisters, star Amy Slayton is no stranger to drama, surprises, or controversy, but fans were completely stunned when she revealed the eerie, almost supernatural location of her rumored upcoming wedding. Photos have now surfaced of what some are calling the creepiest wedding venue ever chosen by a TLC star, and the internet cannot stop talking about it. Amy Slayton, known for her bubbly personality and unique taste, has taken things to the next level with this ghostly venue that seems ripped straight from a horror movie set, complete with cracked walls, dim lighting, gothic architecture, and whispers of a haunted past. The venue, located deep in rural Kentucky, is a century-old mansion that once operated as both a funeral home and a Civil War-era infirmary. Locals have long told tales of ghost sightings, unexplained footsteps, flickering lights, and cold spots. The property, nestled on a foggy hillside, is surrounded by ancient oak trees, weathered tombstones, and an overwhelming aura of mystery. And according to close sources, it's exactly the vibe Amy was going for. She reportedly told a friend that she's always been drawn to the creepy, the abandoned, the haunted, and believes that love can bloom even in the darkest places. With her gothic aesthetic and love for vintage oddities, this may be the most on-brand move Amy has ever made. Photos taken from inside the venue reveal chipped wallpaper, antique chandeliers hanging by threads, Victorian furniture covered in dusty white sheets, and a grand ballroom with a piano room ready to play on its own at night. One picture, in particular, has sparked viral discussion. A mirror in the hallway appears to show a blurry figure standing behind the photographer, even though the venue was reportedly empty during the shoot. Paranormal investigators have already weighed in, with one psychic claiming the venue houses at least 4 restless spirits, 2 of whom may be tied to tragic love stories from decades past. Fans were quick to dive into Reddit threads and Facebook groups, theorizing that Amy may have chosen the sea not just for its looks, but for its energy. Some believe she is trying to channel the spirits of old lovers into her big day. What makes this story even more chilling is that this isn't Amy's first brush with the paranormal. Longtime viewer of 1000 LB Sisters might remember that Amy once confessed on camera to growing up in a haunted house, hearing voices at night and seeing shadowy figures in her backyard. She's also been known to collect Ouija boards and antique dolls, some of which fans have said looked possessed. Could this fascination have followed her into adulthood and now into her romantic life? Sources close to Amy say she's serious about this venue, and already working with an event planner who specializes in themed, horror-style weddings. Her vision allegedly includes fog machines, black roses, candlelit altars, and even a coffin-shaped cake. If all goes according to plan, this might be the most unforgettable wedding TLC has ever aired. Of course, the fanbase is divided. While some love Amy's boldness and unique approach, others are genuinely concerned. Why would anyone want to celebrate love in a place where people died? One fan commented on TikTok, "I support Amy, but this gives me major bad vibes," another wrote on Instagram. Still, many are cheering her on, saying she's embracing her true self and breaking free from cookie-cutter traditions. "Amy's always been different," one loyal follower wrote. "Let her have the spooky fairy tale she wants. Honestly, I'd watch the whole wedding episode with the lights off." As TLC continues filming new episodes, it's expected that the haunted wedding venue will play a major role in upcoming storylines. Producers are reportedly thrilled by the twist, with one anonymous crew member saying the location gave them chills and might be one of the most visually stunning sets they've ever shot. There's even talk of bringing in a paranormal expert to do a pre-wedding spiritual cleansing, just in case. One producer allegedly joked that they may have to hire an exorcist before the vows are exchanged. Whether or not ghosts will RSVP to the wedding remains to be seen, but the buzz surrounding this choice is undeniable. Amy's sister Tammy has remained largely silent on the matter, though insiders say she's not thrilled by the creepy location. According to reports, Tammy was hoping for a more traditional celebration, something simple, sunny, and family-oriented. Her silence on social media has fans speculating that there may already be tension brewing between the sisters over wedding plans. However, others point out that Tammy has been going through her own transformation and might be taking a step back from the spotlight to focus on healing. Still, the potential for a dramatic clash of opinions between the sisters is something fans are already anticipating. Adding another layer of mystery is the groom himself. While Amy hasn't confirmed her engagement publicly, eagle-eyed followers have noted several cryptic posts hinting at a new Roman. Say, in one now deleted video, she can be seen holding hands with a man whose face is mostly obscured, captioned only with the words, "My Dark Knight." Could this new relationship be the inspiration behind the haunted venue? Some believe that Amy's new partner shares her gothic tastes and may have even suggested the location himself. If true, it would mark a major shift from Amy's previous marriage, which was far more conventional and low-key. This new era of Amy Slayton is bolder, darker, and unapologetically strange, and fans can't get enough of it. Speculation is also swirling about the possibility of a Halloween-themed wedding date, with rumors suggesting a late October ceremony. That timing would fit perfectly with the spooky aesthetic and allow Amy to incorporate even more haunting elements into the celebration. Costume-style formal wear, jack-o'-lantern centerpieces, and a fog-covered aisle are just a few of the wild details being floated around fan forums. Some have even suggested inviting horror movie icons as guests or using horror soundtracks during the ceremony. While nothing is confirmed, the possibilities are endless, and fans are eagerly waiting for every update. One thing's for certain, Amy Slayton's haunted wedding venue is setting a new standard for celebrity nuptials. It's bold, it's bizarre, and it's undeniably Amy. Whether the spirits are friendly or furious, she's determined to make this celebration of love one for the ages. With cameras rolling, fans obsessing over leaked photos, and paranormal investigators sniffing around the venue, it seems this may be the most haunted wedding in reality TV history. If you thought Amy Slayton was done surprising the world, think again, because this bride is just getting started. Stay tuned as more behind-the-scenes details leak from the set of 1000 LB Sisters, and don't miss the exclusive pics of the ghostly venue that are already making waves online. From creepy corridors to haunted ballrooms, this is one wedding that's anything but ordinary. For Amy Slayton, the road to love is paved with shadows, and apparently, a few friendly spirits. Whether it ends in wedding bells or something even stranger, the world will be watching. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.